Okay, now I go to the proof by definition. Okay, first of all, I would like to let me show for Laplace delta t equal to 1. Okay, how to prove it? We know that okay, let prove. Okay, 0 to infinity, there is a definition for Laplace, and then we know that this one is very important, exponential the power of negative st, and then multiply with the function. Our function is the delta t. Okay, so dt. Okay, now we know that 0 infinity, okay, e minus st. So basically the delta t actually t minus 0. Okay, dt. So from the definitions of the direct delta function, they mentioned that 0 to infinity ft that multiply with direct delta t minus a, minus a, is equal to that function, that function that have a value for a. So this is the definitions of the direct function for integration. So from here, from this Laplace transform, okay, it means that we obtain e, okay, the power of minus s. Okay, look at here, from here, by using the definition, we obtain this, the original original function here, with the value of a here is a 0, so will be 0 here. So e to the power of 0 will be 1. That's why, as you look at to my note, Laplace transform of delta t will be equal to 1. Okay, now we move to the Laplace transform of direct delta function t minus a. Okay, so this one, the answer will be negative as. So how to prove it? As usual, Laplace transform 0 to infinity e to the power of minus st multiply with the what? Direct delta function t minus a. Okay, so back to here, this, the function will be what? When the function multiply with direct delta t minus a will be the function with the value of a. So same goes to here. Will be what? E the power of minus s a. Obtain the original function, but the value of t will be a. So equal to e minus as. Same as here. Okay, so next will be the last one will be if we Laplace transform of ft, any function that multiply with the direct delta function. So the formula give it to you, e the power of as f a. Okay, so now we know that the 0 to infinity, okay, so e minus st, okay, and then what else? ft, direct delta minus a. Okay, now we let gt equal to e minus st ft. So equal to 0 to infinity gt darat t minus a. Okay, so back to the formula. Back to formula here will be the function multiply with the delta function will be the function. Okay, let me write down here. Okay, so from the definitions of direct delta function, 0 to infinity. So if we have gt here and then direct delta t minus a, we will be obtain what? The original function, but with the value of a. So we will obtain the GA. So same goes to here, this side. It means that, okay, so from here you obtain what? GA. So we know that the GA is the e the power of we know that the GT is this one. So we obtain the GA. So substitute all the value of t will be AE minus AS FA. So from here actually same as here. Okay, but during the exam basically they ask you directly Laplace transform by using the formula, not using the definition. Okay, so we go to the example how to Laplace transform of the direct delta function. Okay, look at to the example 14. Okay, example 14. Find the Laplace transform of ft if ft e the power of minus 2t plus with the direct delta function t minus 2. So it means they ask you to find the Laplace transform Laplace transform of e the power of minus 2t plus direct delta t minus 2. So by using the linearity, we can separate it in minus 2t plus direct delta t minus 2. Okay, so this one you need to know lah. Yeah, by the formula you obtain what? 1 over s plus 2 because what? Exponential is alone here, so the answer will be here. Plus, so the formula of direct delta function will be what? Look at back to my note. So the second one here. What happened? Oh, no wonder lah. Look at the second one here will be e to the power of minus as. Okay, so here will be what? This one will be the value for a, so will be e to the power of minus 2s. That's all. Okay, so that is the answer. Now we go to the example 15. Okay, so they ask you to find the Laplace transform of t to the power of 3 delta t minus pi over 2. So here I would like to highlight again. Look at to my note. As you can see here, t minus pi over 2. This one, t minus pi over 2, then t to the power of 3. Okay, I repeat again. If this one t square and okay, tak apa. If t square multiplied with the Heaviside function t minus pi over 2, so it means that this one we need to modify so that we will obtain t minus pi over 2. Okay, we need to modify so that the value of here the term of here will be like this, t minus pi over 2, no matter what. So we need to modify, so t minus pi over 2, something like that lah. We need to modify it until we obtain the t minus pi over 2. But for the direct data function, you no need to modify, just directly in Laplace from here. T multiply with direct t minus pi over 2. That's all. Okay. So from the formula here, we need to use the number 3. Okay, number 3. So here, look at to my sketching. So it means that from here, map to Laplace transform of ft. Okay, direct data t minus a equal to e minus as fa. Okay, so your ft now is a t, your ft now is a t at the power of 3. So direct data t minus a will be the direct data t minus pi over 2. So here your a will be a pi over 2. Okay, so your ft is equal to t the power of 3. Okay, so we know that at the end of the solution you obtain the original one, the functions here, fa. So here your ft will be t the power of 3. So your fa, that is a pi over 2, is equal to pi over 2 the power of 3. Okay, so that's for the Laplace transform of t cube delta t minus pi over 2 will be what? E the power of minus as. A will be the pi over 2s from here to here, and then multiply with the original function but the value of t, pi over 3 over pi the power of 3 over 8. Okay, this one. Okay, now the example number 16. Layout. The example number 16 will 16 pun boleh. 16 will be example 16. So they ask you to find the Laplace transform of sinus to t direct data t minus 2. Okay, so as usual, this one is mapped to the Laplace transform of the ft direct data t minus a. Okay, this one will be e minus as fa. Okay, so ft will be the sinus to t, direct data t minus a will be direct data t minus 2. Okay, so from the information we know that a is equal to 2. This a equal to 2. Okay, so ft that we have mentioned, that's equal to sinus to t. So we know that the final solution will be the e minus as fa. So our fa obtained from the here. Okay, so we obtain fa equal to sinus to a. Okay, so for e minus as, we know that e the power of minus a will be 2s. Therefore, Laplace transform of the sinus to t direct data t minus 2, this one will be e minus 2s multiply with the sinus. This one will be what? 2a. Cantik sikit. Minus 2s will be the sinus to a. So this one will be sinus 2a will be the 2. So sinus 4. So e to the power 2s multiply with the signs 4. Okay. That's all for direct data functions. Actually, direct data function is a little bit easy lah compared to the Heaviside function. So after that, we have done the subtopic of the Laplace transform. For next video, I will go to the inverse Laplace transform. Okay.